Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Spanish pronunciation as well as how to say it in English the name of this Spanish racing driver who won the Formula One World Championship in 2005 and 2006 for, who, you remember of course, the Renault team. How do you go about pronouncing his name? For reference, in Spanish, his name is normally said as Fernando. You do want to stress on the middle syllable here, Fernando Alonso. But in English, it is normally said as Fernando Alonso. You do want to say so sound, not a zo sound. Do not say Alonso, but rather Alonso. Fernando Alonso. From Spanish, Fernando Alonso. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names from Formula One, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.